Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, students.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Yes.
So today in our class, ma'am completed the portions, sir.
Good,
So
Madhyana.
can you
Understood
read
anything?
section? So ma'am
Good
completed
evening,
the
sir.
portion.
Yeah, good evening. Did you understand all the topics?
Ex-
Which one
uh,
was last? Which topic was last?
Identities.
So identities for us it was last sir.
Sir, and I understood the chapter, sir.
Will and will be.
Good evening,
Both.
sir.
Yeah, good evening.
So C and D is not there, it seems.
No, A and B. Will A and B?
Yes, so C, D is not there.
Okay.
So you're teaching the same chapter today, sir?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Gamila. Yeah, yes, Mari. Mariana.
Oh, okay, sir.
There's still another formula left, right? Did you understand that? When there are three letters, three terms.
In the last period, everyone went off, so only few girls were there, and I was sitting in the first bench, and only I was answering.
Answering the questions, good.
So yes, sir,
Okay.
when I stopped answering, she was turning back at me, sir. Like only I was answering.
Good, Mariana. Everyone went, only you were there.
No, it was only few, 20, 20, 30.
Good, Mariana. Have improved. How many questions we did yesterday? All of you. Third main, second main, right? Second main, we have to start. Open page 152, all of you. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you excuse me for today, sir? I don't have my textbook, sir. My friend took it.
Even me, sir.
Oh, Lamula took your book.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Another girl, sir.
Okay. For that, I didn't ask textbook student. Just look at the questions, take the questions and solve.
Sir,
Okay. Pick who has Adia's number, Adia and Lemula's number.
I'll
Surely not
send
come.
Adya. So Dyashri has, sir. She can send.
Okay, do one thing. Yeah, send it in the group. Oh, Lemula is not there. Akansha.
So, yes, sir.
Yes, take a pic of 12B and send in the group, Akansha.
Yes, sir.
12B and Driyashri, you send Adia. Okay, 152. Yesterday we studied three formulas, right? Three formulas. In that, we'll solve one question from the 2A minus 1 by A. What's the main question given? Second main, what's the question? Second main, find what?
Find the square of.
Find the square. Find the square of. I'll give you a 5. How do you find the square of 5? What do you mean by square?
So we multiply
Sir, to the whole power of
Multiply
2,
five
sir.
by five and
The whole
five,
power
sir.
of 2. Or you can remember 5 into 5. Okay. Basically 5 into 5, it's fine. You can remember, but this is the actual method. You have to remember like this. If you had to find the square of something, you have to put a bracket and write to the power of 2. The degree will always be 2. Okay, now they have told us to find the square of second main fourth question to find the square of this value. What do you mean by this? To find the square, whole bracket, what's the degree?
so
What's the
2.
degree, students? 2. Or how many times this is multiplied? How many times it's multiplied same value? Twice, like this. Do you know the normal multiplication where we take 2A outside in bracket? That is normal multiplication. Okay, we take 2A and 2a minus 1 by a, like this. This is normal multiplication using bracket method, but you're not supposed to solve it like this. You have to use formula. What's the formula when two values are given?
So
Square of
a
first value.
minus b square plus 2.
Yes, not minus. It is plus.
So
Square of first value plus square of second value minus 2 into.
So I sent it, sir.
Okay, let me know. You can check from there.
Yes, sir.
That is minus square of first value plus square of second value minus
Second
2 into
value to
first value
first
into
term
second.
into second term.
Try this. And remember only this part 2ab. This you can reduce. There is multiplication.
so times O.
First multiply. This, what do you get? Is Dhriti online?
Excuse me, sir.
Just a minute. 3, 4, 5. Was the Dhriti present today?
So she is present, sir. She was present.
Okay, Sherlyn, answer the first one. This.
So I'm not sure, so I was not there yesterday.
Weren't there yesterday?
Yes, this
I
is the
sent you
first.
the recordings, right? You didn't go through recordings.
No, sir, I thought when I'm doing the chapter, I'll go through.
Then it's difficult, Sherlyn. If you want, you can attend. If you understood, you can take it down. If not, just should just copy it like notes. Okay, Diyashri, answer this.
So yes, sir. Sir, after we multiply it, we'll get it as 4a square plus 1 by a square. Sir, and then 2 and 2 gets cancelled.
No, first multiply everything. Whatever is there in numerator and denominator, what do you get?
Sir, we get it as 4a.
4a by
4a
2.
by 2, sir.
Then 2 ones are 2 twos are. What do you get in the numerator? 2a. This is the
Sir, we
answer.
get it as 4a square plus 1 by a square minus 2a.
Minus 2a.
Yes. Sir,
Yes. Yeah,
sir,
tell me,
our
Marian.
teacher gave 5 formulas, sir.
Okay. 5 formulas.
Yes, sir.
What are those
It
formulas?
is Swami rate formula, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we'll go
Sir,
step by
the
step. Look, I finished only 3, right? For now,
yes,
study this. I'll teach you all everything, then later you'll get. If I miss out anything, let me know. I'll teach you all that.
yes.
Okay, now the next formula when there are 3 values given, that is a plus b plus c, the whole square. A plus b plus c, the whole square. What's the degree here? What's the degree?
2, sir.
2. So how many times this base is present? This entire thing is base. Okay, this entire thing is base. How many times it's present?
2 times, sir.
Twice. So this is nothing but a plus b plus c into what? Same thing, you have to multiply twice. A plus b plus c. This we all studied last term, last test. How do you multiply two values? You take a outside, then the
Uh,
next one.
A plus B plus C
Okay,
uh,
next.
plus B bracket A plus B plus C plus C bracket
A
A
plus
plus B plus
plus
C.
c. This is derivation. I'm deriving the formula. You don't have to remember all this. This is, I mean, you have to remember it, but you shouldn't do it like this in exam. What you get for this? A
A
square.
square plus AB plus
Okay, Sholin,
AC.
concentrate from your Sholin. This is new formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is how many terms are present inside? How many terms are there?
So 3.
3 terms
Right.
to the power of whole square. That is, the degree is 2. Okay. So all this time we studied a plus b by 2, a plus b the whole square. Before this we studied what is a square, what is b square. So you can see this. They started with one term, then mathematicians they used two terms, then they started using three terms to get the output. Okay, to check what kind of result they get. So what do you get for this? A square
plus AB plus AC plus
plus
AB plus B square plus BC plus AC
Actually, minus
plus
C, sir.
AC plus C square.
what is it?
It's minus C, sir.
Where minus c? This
Yes, sir. We're doing fifth question, so it's minus C, sir.
I didn't tell you question. This is formula, Akansha. Close all your
Okay.
notes. Just open tuition book.
No, sir. Textbook I saw, sir.
No, textbook. I'm not solving that. I'm teaching you all this.
Sorry, sir.
This is the formula. First we used a plus b, right? How many terms? Two terms. Then we used a plus b plus c. Next I'll teach you all what if you use minus inside. Okay, first we'll finish positive. What do you get for
BC
this?
plus C square.
BC plus c square. Now what are the like terms here? Students, instead of looking textbook, look at the screen and concentrate. Look at this derivation.
So AB BC BC.
How many ABs are present here? All of you will check and let me know. How many AB?
Two.
Two. How many AC?
So two so
Two. What about BC?
so two.
Two, sir.
BC is also two. Let me change the color.
So should we take this down?
Let's concentrate this. I'll let you know. How many times BC is present? Two. So can you see everything is present twice? What are these to the power of two? How many we have?
Three so
Three. What are those? Take those separately. What do you get? A square plus
A square plus B square plus C square.
Plus
C
C
square.
square.
Okay. Plus now add all these two, whichever is present twice. 2AB
Plus two AB plus two BC and two plus two AC.
AC. This is the formula you have to remember. This entire derivation, don't have to take it down. Okay. This for this formula, this is the direct answer. Instead of solving all this is the final answer. A square plus B square. For A plus B the whole square, what did we get? For this, tell me the formula. We got A square plus B
A
square plus,
square plus B square minus two AB
not minus. When it
plus
is
two
plus, it is
AC.
plus. When it is plus, both should have plus. This is what we got for two values, two terms. Now look at this. We have three terms, so this is what we get. A square plus B square plus C square. The first term, the first three terms, everything gets squared first. Next, 2 into first and second term. Next, 2 into second and third term. Then 2 into third and first term. This is the answer you have to remember.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have to take all this. This, if you want, you can take a screenshot, do it later, or try this multiplication later. This is not required. Shall I erase this? This middle part is not required. Okay, if not, take a screenshot of this, students. Just take a screenshot of this. You can do it later. We use normal multiplication. Only the final answer is required. Okay. Take screenshot, do it later, try it later. I'll erase all this. This is how we get. You multiply the base twice. This is the output you get. So in exam, you can't keep doing all that, then applying this formula. You have to remember this. Okay, let me teach you all in short. what is the degree outside? What's the degree? We
2,
have
sir.
2, right?
2,
2.
sir.
So the first step is multiply all the values, single values, to the power of 2. Clear? A square plus B square plus C square.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
okay. A plus B the whole square. Even this, it's easy to remember. When there are two terms, when there is one term, what's the answer for this? When there is one term, what's the answer? A
Sir,
square.
3 square, sir. 3
Okay,
square,
when
sir.
there is two terms, same. Multiply both with square first. A square plus
A
B square.
square plus B square.
Then we have plus here, so put plus. Take this 2. Degree is 2. 2 into how many times? A into B.
A into B.
2 into A into B. Okay, this is for two terms. So in the same way, look here. In the same way, first you multiply like this. Can you see multiplied all three? Similar to this.
Yes, sir.
A square plus B square plus C square. And remember this first three. The first three letters, even if you have minus here, it will always be positive. What's the reason? Even if it is like this, A minus B minus C, the first three will be same. A square
Sir,
plus
minus into minus plus, sir.
Because the power
yeah, Mariana was almost close because how many times you square
because the
this?
power is 2.
2 times.
Two times. So minus into minus becomes
Plus.
plus. That's the reason. Yeah, it is a logical question. Whenever there is minus in between, these three, remember this. These three letters will be fixed. A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, first we'll complete this, then I'll teach when minus is given. Like this. If not, remember, first term the whole square plus second term the whole square plus third term the whole square. Next, what is the value? 2 into AB. Take this 2 outside. 2. Then multiply which one? First two
A,
letters.
first.
Plus, next, multiply second and third letter.
B, C, sir.
Plus, which is left? Which combination is left now?
First and last.
C, A,
First
sir.
and last.
Or
You
A,
can
C.
write AC or CA. Both are same. AC or CA. That's it. This is the combination. You remember this combination. Same like this. First A square plus B square plus take this 2 outside. Both the combination. Write both together. Remember, you can write only two terms at a time like this. Look here. Everywhere only two terms is written.
So we can put the 2 outside and inside the bracket you can put A plus
Yeah, you can
AB
write it
plus.
like that. Yes. Now let me tell you all that. This is what you get. Actual way. This is the way you have to remember. A square plus B square plus C square plus take 2 outside and start pairing two to numbers. Why do you pair two numbers? Just think. For example,
So
what's the degree here? What's the degree?
2,
The degree is 2. Okay, so remember like that. The degree is 2. So you have to pair two numbers. AB first, BC next, CA third. Now let me write A square plus B square plus C square plus which is common to all three values? Which term is common? 2 is common.
2 is common.
So let me take 2 common outside. Write AB plus BC plus CA or AC. Okay, this will be somewhat confusing, so you don't have to remember
So this
this.
formula our teacher gave.
Okay, you can take down both. Both are correct. Or instead of first one, remember the second one. Look here. Square all three. What is the degree here? 2. Take the degree outside, common 2. Then start pairing two values. 2 AB once, BC and CA. So which one first or second? Shall I erase the first one? Ma'am has given the second one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your teacher has given
Yes,
second.
sir.
Take down both, use this. I've showed you all the entire derivation.
So she just wrote down the formula and she started solving from.
Yes, sir. She wrote the formulas and started solving.
Is it? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Even our teacher
Yeah,
wrote
yeah,
directly.
yeah, because they won't have time to teach. So what is the time? Look, we started at 5:30. It's almost been 15 minutes. To show you all this derivation, it took 15 minutes. And in each class there are how many students? 50 or 60?
51.
50 students. So some might understand, some might interrupt in between. See, when I was teaching this, how many students? Diyashri interrupted, Akansha. Okay, some of the other silly doubts their students might ask. So it's not possible. They won't derive, they'll just give you all this direct value. Akansha, now is it clear? Akansha and Diyashri?
So what clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Between you asked something?
No, sir, I didn't.
Nothing. Akansha? Unmute the call, Akansha.
So I asked, sir.
Okay, now is it clear?
Yes,
That
sir.
we are not solving the question. This was formula.
Yes, sir.
Why have you raised your hand? I thought you had some
Sorry,
doubt.
sir. I just found that in three.
Okay. Okay, only one formula I can derive, student. Only one formula is possible. If I had to derive, so that entire 1 hour will get wasted. Okay, so remember this. For other things, I'll just tell you a direct answer: A minus B or A plus B minus C. Now look here. Positive, both are positive. What about C? Positive or negative? What is
Negative.
C? Negative. But
Negative.
the starting three letters will always be positive. What's the reason? We square, right? So what's the starting three letter? A square plus B square plus C square.
C square.
Plus take two common outside. Next, which combination you have to start? Start from AB.
AB.
Multiply AB. Okay, AB.
E
Next.
BC.
Okay, now
A
remember this. You're going to multiply B and C. Multiply this with the sign. What is plus into minus?
minus.
so
So you
minus
write plus BC or minus BC?
so minus BC.
Minus BC. This is the difference. Next, this with this. What do you get? Minus C or
Minus
plus
AC.
minus
So
AC?
minus AC.
Okay, can you all see the difference between these formulas? Everything is same except wherever there is C. Can you see this? So only in the bracket the value will get changed. Wherever there is C, you get minus. The reason is in the main question C is negative. So even this you have to derive. That would take another 15-20 minutes. So of no use. You'll have to use only this formula. Okay. That's the reason I showed only one formula. How we get this? A square plus B square, all this. Take down this formula and y'all give me the answer for this. A minus B minus C the whole square. Remember, first three is always positive.
A
Okay.
square plus
Before
B
taking
square.
this down, A plus B the whole square and A minus B the whole square. Remember the starting two, it's positive for both. What do you get? A square plus B square. Down, what do you get? A square plus B square.
Plus square.
B
Okay, here it is plus. So what do you get? Plus 2 into A.
Plus
plus B.
AB.
Here
Minus
minus 2.
Minus B.
This is the only difference, right? Look here, starting two
yes, sir.
letters are same. This is the difference, plus and minus. Similar to this, let me reduce it. Yeah, now you can take down the question and try this. Similar to square of two values, even 3 is also the same.
So we should by heart the formula and stop expanding on this.
Yes, Mariana, you have to by heart. Memorize these formulas. Okay, it will remain till 10th. Till 10th, you all will have this topic. So each and every time you can't keep solving this. Till 10th, or I think even in 12th, you'll have this. When you'll start using geometry, 11th and 12th, whoever takes science and maths, even in 11th and 12th, you'll have 11th, 12th, engineering.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So yes, sir. Today I asked one of my senior, like she's taken maths, sir. So I asked her how is it. She said like half, not half, sir. Like most of the thing of what we learn in eighth standard only, sir.
8th is basic, right? High school is separate. 8th, 9th, 10th is one combination. I mean, one group. So eighth is the fundamental basic. Whatever you study till 10th, it will get repeated. Middle school is different. Sixth, fifth, sixth, and seventh.
Yes, sir.
First to one to four is primary. That syllabus is different. Fifth, sixth, seventh is different. And eighth, ninth, tenth. Whatever you study in eighth will get repeated.
Yes, sir.
Almost
And she
40%.
said that, like, say, if we take like options are there, no? So home science or computers. So if
Yes.
we take computers or if we take home science, it does not, like she said, it does not matter in like whatever we're gonna do in future. So
Yeah, it does matter in the sense doesn't have value, right?
no, sir. I wanna I wanna become a software engineer and I take home science. So will that affect?
Not affect. It won't have any impact. It's of no use. You won't be studying related to home science, right? If you want
Yes,
computer science, yeah, have computer science, take computer science, but you can drop maths and science, you can take home science. The reason is ninth and 10th you can score well.
yes, sir.
That's the only advantage you'll have, students. You don't have to struggle. Mathematics is tough. Ninth will be tough, ninth and 10th. You don't have to struggle.
Sir, ninth and tenth, all if you leave off maths, you can take it in 11th, sir.
No, I don't think, Mariana. 11th, 12th, you can't. PCMB and PCMC. I'm not
No,
sure
sir,
about that.
because I asked that because you said that like in your marks card in 10th marks card, if computer is not there, we can't do it here in Assam.
No, there is a combination called BSc, Bachelor of Computer. I'll explain all this later, students. I'll tell you all on Saturday and Sunday. Now we have very less time. We'll start solving.
Which questions?
Yeah, after the exam, I'll explain this. Okay, fine. Have you all understood this concept now? How to square
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
pi break lemula? Just know one formula
Yes,
got
sir.
over. I'll give you all. After 5 minutes, I'll give. Okay, which question is left? Missed out in the first main. Look at page 150 and tell me which question is missed.
So 15, 6, sir.
Try the fifth question. Look here, I've written. Now we all tell me three values to the power of 2. First three will be same. What is that first three values? A square,
A square plus B square plus C square.
t square, plus 2 into what?
2 into
Try this, yes.
AC
AB.
plus
So A, B,
plus
B, C, and
BC.
C, A, sir.
No, no.
Yes.
AB, BC, and CA. This is correct. I want the sign.
Uh,
AB is positive. Next, when you multiply CA, what do you get? Minus into plus
minus
is
AC. Minus
minus
CA.
AC. Okay. BC, plus into minus is
Minus.
minus. This is the
AB
final
is
answer.
positive.
AB is positive. Both are positive, so that is also positive. So this is the answer. A square plus B square plus C square. You all try the sixth one. Sixth. This was fifth question. First main fifth. You all try the sixth. A minus B. So these are different types of questions, and this is the formula, fixed formula. Try this. First three alphabets terms are same. All three will be positive. First three. So three formulas I had given you all. This is these two. 3 plus 2 5. For now, five formulas are done. How many days left today? It is
So 9 days, sir.
9 days. In that 9 days, five days. 3 or 4 days for revision. So hardly 4 5 days left. Till Tuesday or till Monday, student. Till Monday last. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Only test and revision. This time I don't think I can make you all revise all the chapters. It's not possible.
Sir, so we have to complete sets also.
Sets. Mostly tomorrow I'll finish this. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday sets. 3 days sets. And even this week I can conduct test. We have no time.
So please today mark the questions, sir, to practice.
Today I'll mark the questions. First, try this. How do you solve this, Akansha? What's the answer?
So, so first we take
Take A and do what?
A bracket A minus B plus C.
So can you
Clearly,
write?
I've explained. You're giving me answers. If you're interested, you answer. If not, you can
A
keep quiet,
square,
Akansha. If you give wrong answers, I get irritated.
so
When I was
A
explaining,
square,
what are you doing? Others, that is wrong. Others, can you tell me?
So shall I tell?
Yes.
A square plus B square plus C square. Uh, Bracket 2
In between
plus
signs, shall I
plus
just leave it empty? Till here it
plus
is fixed.
First,
Next,
uh, AB
what is AB?
minus AB
Minus is minus AB.
minus BC plus AC.
This is the answer. Till here it's the same. Till this plus 2, memorize the value. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2. After this, only in the bracket it changes. Okay, first main is done. Everything is done. Second main, which question we have to start? Second main.
the fifth question. So,
We'll try this question and I'll give you a break. What's the time? 6:05. Okay, I'll give you a 5 minutes break. We'll continue at 6:10.
Yes.
Can you all see the screen, students? All of you all can all see the
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Chat. Okay, these are the 6 formulas till now we have derived. Take a screenshot of this. Write it separately. Write it as formulas. Note down all these later. Okay, we'll get back to the question. Which question should we solve? Uh, Second main, which one? Which one is left? Page 152. Second main, which
start
question?
from the fifth main. So the fifth question. So,
Fifth question. Yeah, fifth one. Find the square. So x minus 2y plus 1, the whole square. How many terms are there? How many terms? How many
so
terms do we have? Three terms. Look here. First question. Stop writing it, student. Don't do it along with me. Stop copying. First question, let me solve. Let me show you how to do. From second, you all can try it. Okay, what is the first three values? Everything is positive, right? You have to square. What do you get for this? X square
X
plus
square
so x
plus
square plus
2
2y
into y
square,
square
2a square
plus
plus 1 square,
plus
sir.
1 square. Write
1
this.
square.
This is fixed. Plus 2. Even this is also fixed. Plus 2 is also fixed. After this, start multiplying two values. What you have to multiply first? X into 2y. What is x into 2y?
So minus
2x
2xy.
minus 2x.
2xy. Yes. Plus into minus is minus 2xy. Next.
Uh,
So
minus
minus
multiply minus.
two.
Wait just a minute.
Minus 2y, sir.
Okay, next you have to multiply 2y into 1 is 2y. Plus into minus is
Minus
minus 2.
plus x.
1 into x is plus x. That's it. Now open the bracket. What's the final answer? X square plus
X square
So x
plus
square
4
plus 4y square plus 1
minus 1 plus
plus
minus 4
minus 4xy.
okay. Now look here. Now this is done. Inside bracket we already done. Now open the bracket. Use bracket method. 2 into minus 2. What do you get? Minus
minus
4xy.
4xy
Then
minus 4y my
plus
plus 2x.
2x. So this is the easiest way. First write it in bracket, then remove the bracket. If you don't do that, it will become difficult. Okay, what are the like terms? Do we have any like terms here? No like terms. This is the final answer. In textbook or whenever your teacher solve, each one use different method. Okay, the values will be same, but only the position will be different. Sometimes 2x inside or minus 4xy in between. So you don't have to worry about position. The value should be same. This is the answer. Take this down.
Yes.
If you have understood, try the sixth question. First square all three positive. Write 2. Then start multiplying. If you have understood, try the sixth one. Then third main. Do you allow even fourth and fifth main? 12b. Did ma'am do fourth and fifth? Okay, that might be a little confusing. The formula, that is a big formula. You'll definitely get one question from this square and cube for 2 marks each. So total 4, and from 12a you'll get 1. So this chapter you can expect somewhere between 8 and 10 marks. 8 and 10.
So it's for 8 marks. So
8 marks? Okay. 8 marks, you might get it like 2 into 4 questions, or 3 marks 2 questions, and 2 marks 1 question. For finally, for midterm, usually midterm they don't give 2 marks. They might give it for three marks and 2 marks for MCQ. Okay, this question it looks big, right? The formula and all these derivations. So for how many marks they might give this question? 3 or 2.
3 marks.
3 marks.
So you have to judge. You have to judge like this and study. Whenever you're preparing, okay, try preparing like this. Okay, this question you might get for 3 marks. So these are the steps. First, okay, try the next one. Sixth question.
So done. So
Can we
excuse me.
discuss? Yes, Charisha.
So can I be back in a minute? Sir?
Fine. Sixth one is 3a minus 2b minus 5c. Akansha, what's the answer you got?
So yes, sir. So 9a square plus 4.
How do you
So
solve
you
this?
want the
How do you
answer?
solve? First step,
So yes, sir. So 3a square minus 2b square.
I told first three will always be positive.
Okay, so plus 2b square plus 5c square. So plus 2 into 3a, so
2, then open the bracket. Tell me slowly. Then 2 into what?
2 into 3a.
Wrong. 2, after writing 2, open a bracket, then multiply these two.
So 3a minus 2b, sir.
You have to multiply that.
Give me a minute.
Sir, done, sir, and I checked my answer in the textbook.
Correct?
It was correct.
Good. How many of you all done with this? Who's still doing? Akansha, I think you didn't concentrate when I was teaching the formula.
So,
Here,
no, sir,
watch the video. Watch the video later and you can try. Okay, Adya next. After this,
So after this we get it as 2 into 3a minus 2b plus minus 2b minus
no,
5c.
no. Tell me what should I write here? 2a into
So
3a into
2a into 3a minus 2b, sir.
okay minus. So shall I write minus like this in bracket?
So no, sir, supposed to come in the middle, no, sir.
Look here. First two you have to multiply. What do you get when you multiply?
So minus 6ab, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm asking. Write it directly. Look here. When you multiply both, what do you get? When you
So
multiply
minus 6ab.
plus 3a minus 2b students. Look here. Take it in working column and do it. Minus into plus is
Minus,
minus.
sir.
3a into 2b is 6ab.
6ab, sir.
This is
6ab.
what I'm asking. Yeah, next.
And then we get it
Next is
as 10bc, sir.
minus
Plus
into minus
10bc. Plus
10.
10bc, sir.
Then
Then we get it as minus 15c, sir.
16 ac or ca. That's it. First square
So you
everything.
finished
Here.
right?
First square everything till here. Look here. Till 2 it is positive. Any question which has 3 terms, the first three, these four values will be same. Square everything with positive signs in between. After
Sir,
that, it
it's
changes.
15
Sir,
AC.
after
Yeah, 15 AC.
sir,
Okay,
can
look here. After that, just a minute, Adi. After that, in bracket, till here it is same. Look here, I'm repeating till here with the sign, it is same. Open the bracket, then start multiplying two terms at a time. First, take these two with the sign you multiply. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 3a into 2b is minus 6ab.
minus
Then we go with these two because the square is 2. So you have to start multiplying two numbers. Then the third one and the last first one with the sign you have to multiply. You get minus 15 AC. After that, start solving this. What do you get? 3a square for 3a square.
9A
9a square
square plus 4B
plus
square
4b square plus
plus
25c square,
25C
sir.
square
Plus,
okay,
minus
plus.
minus
so minus
Just a minute. Just a
12ac,
minus
minute. Plus or minus for this. What do you get?
minus
minus, sir.
Sir,
Plus into
minus
minus is
minus
okay. Minus 12.
12AB plus 20BC minus 30AC.
Minus 15 into 2 is 30 AC. Is anything common? A, B, B, C, C, A, nothing is common.
No, sir, nothing.
That's it. This is also done. Okay. Seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. All for a same pattern, different question. Which one you want me to solve? Remaining, you all have to try. Seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Which one shall I do? Shall we try the eighth one? Will you all do the seventh and ninth for homework? Seventh and ninth.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Akansha, mark seventh and ninth. You asked for important questions, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, second main mark seventh and ninth. Let me see whether you solve it or not because when I give it as homework, nobody sends.
So I
Seventh and
sent you,
ninth.
sir.
Okay, only Tanishka's. No, I didn't get Tanishka.
So I sent you yesterday and today's homework, sir.
Missed it. Okay, fine. I'll check. Yeah, Tanishka is regular. Every day you send 3a minus 2b. Try this. No. What is the question? Try the eighth question. Second main eighth one. Okay, Sherlin, can you answer the first step? Sherlin online? Unmute the call, Sherlin. Talk a bit loud. You didn't do. You didn't understand this. Can anyone hear what Sherlin is saying?
Sir,
No.
she's telling something, but we can't hear.
What is the something, Jayashree?
I don't know, sir.
Can't hear, right? That is what I'm asking.
So she's unmuting, but we can't hear.
No, there's problem from your side, Sherlin. Nobody can hear you. Still not audible. Yeah, Lemila, answer this. What's the first step?
5. Just a minute, sir. I'm working.
I need the first step. For
5.
first step, 5 what?
Seconds, sir.
For first step, you don't have to work out anything. Just simple.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell me, Joanna. Was it Joanna?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Joanna. What's the first step?
Sir, is it 5 square
5 square.
plus x square
Good. X square then.
plus 2 by x to the power of 2?
Whole square plus 2.
So, so yes, sir, plus 2.
Till here, yeah, till here, it is same. For all the question, just a minute. Yeah, Lemila, even you didn't concentrate. Don't know what you're doing.
Doing, sir.
Okay, after this, till here, for all the question, I don't know how many times to repeat, student. Nobody cares. Okay, after this, Joanna,
So 1 second, sir.
then take first two values and multiply. What do you get?
Sir, minus. Sorry, sir.
5 into x is 5x, plus into minus is minus.
Minus 5x, sir.
Okay, look here. After that, if you're getting confused, take it in bracket, students. Take these two in bracket. What do you get? Minus x multiplied by 2 into x. After multiplying, what do you get for this? X and
Sir,
x multiplication. X and x gets cancelled.
minus 2.
Minus 2. Good. Better do it in working column. Take the next. What am I supposed to take in working column? Which two? The last one and the first one. 5 into. Yeah. Who had answered? Was it Mariam? Talk a bit loud. Whoever answers, unmute and talk a bit loud, students.
Minus.
Take the third one and the first one. There's no minus here. It is 2x multiplied
10
by
by
5.
x. 5 first.
There is no minus
10
here.
by x, plus 10 by x.
10 by x.
Brackets, sir. Can I tell it from this?
Okay, what do you get after this?
So 25 minus x square.
Where is minus here?
Or it's a plus.
Plus x square.
Plus x square. Plus of plus 4 by x square.
Correct. Plus.
Plus 2.
Is it plus 2 or minus 2?
Minus 2, sir.
Look, I don't have to try the same thing. Till here, we started to solve. First step is done. Second step, minus into plus is minus. 5 2s are 10. Minus 10x.
How much?
Next. Minus into plus is minus. 2 twos are 4.
2s are 4. So then
Plus
2
20.
tens are 20x.
20x. That's it.
So same
Check
answer.
whether you like terms. Yeah. There's no like term. But we have only numbers. Can you see 25 and 4? What is 25 minus 4?
21.
21. Only these two changes. Minus subtract 25 and minus 4, you get 21. 21 plus x square plus 4 by x square minus 10x plus 20 divided by x. And this position can be different in textbook or whenever you solve, but make sure the values are same. Check the values. If it's same, that's the final answer. Okay. And whoever hasn't understood, students, even in spite of teaching so much, go through the video again. From starting, you can go through, pause the video, make a note of it, then play, continue, and watch. Okay, no time, I can't teach you all again. Whoever hasn't understood, whoever didn't give correct answers, watch the video and try to do it. What's the
Can
time?
I tell the ninth sum, sir?
6:30. Yeah, just a minute. 6:30, ninth. No, ninth one. I told seventh and ninth for homework.
Okay, sir.
Second main, seventh and ninth, you'll have to try. Apart from that, all the questions I've covered. Okay, second and ninth one is for homework. 10th question. Try the 10th one. X plus 1 by x minus 1. This you'll have to square. And Mariam will answer. Mariam and Charisha, right? I didn't ask Mariam, Charisha. Who else? Tanishka.
So me.
Okay. I'll ask you all. Yeah, Mariam, tell me the first step, Mariam. What's the first step?
X square, sir.
Yeah,
X
look here,
square
students. All
plus
of you look
1
here. Look
by
what Mariam answers. The first value. Okay, x square plus.
1 by x square
Yeah, 1 by x square
plus
plus
plus 1 square
1 square plus 2. Till here it's same.
plus.
Next,
So we take x plus x into 1 by x in the column and
multiply.
we get
X plus
1,
1
sir.
by x, multiply. What do you get? X into 1 by
1.
x. Okay, look here. Do it in working column, students. Take this, or you better write it like this: x into 1 by x. Next, which two in bracket? Mariam, next, which two?
1 so 1 by x into 1
Minus 1 into minus
minus
1.
1
Okay, next,
x into minus 1, sir.
x into minus 1. Okay, do it till here, students. Let me know if you have done it till here. Multiply two values, write it in working column.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay, this first step is very important. Here we don't calculate anything. Look, none of the calculation takes place in the first step. First step, you'll have to just expand. Second step, the actual calculation happens. So in the first step, if you'll go wrong with this part, especially this, your entire answer is wrong. You'll get 0. So make sure you multiply properly, include with the sign. Yeah, Cherisha. Now evaluate this. What do you get?
We have to cancel the x's.
No, no, forget about this. Start from here.
Yes, sir. X square plus 1 by x square
Slowly. 1 by x square plus
plus 1 square
1. Okay, 1 plus.
plus 2. So we have to cancel the x's.
Okay, x and x gets cancelled. What is left?
1, sir.
1. Next.
So 1 by x minus 1.
1 by x minus 1. What do you get when you multiply? You can't keep writing the same stuff again and again. You have to solve it, right?
So 1 by x, sir.
Minus 1 by x.
Yes, sir. Minus 1 by x.
Then What is x into minus 1?
X minus X.
Minus x. Correct. Look, within second step, you'll have to solve for each and everything. You're not supposed to do it a new step. Okay, next, open the bracket.
So and
So
then we get
bracket I
square 1 by X square.
Just a minute, Tarisha. Yes.
yes.
So first step, you expand. You write the formula and expand. Second step, evaluate. Third step, the final answer. Yeah, what is the answer? X square plus 1x square remains as it is, plus 1. Next,
Plus
2
3.
into 1
Plus 2
plus 2. How come?
minus 2 by x
Correct. Minus 2 by x
2x.
minus 2x.
minus 2x. So we have only numbers, these two numbers. 2 plus 1 is
3.
3.
So
So
3.
x square plus 1 by x square.
plus
Okay.
3
Usually they write the numbers in the last. So let me write all the variables first, like this 2x, then this plus 3 goes in the last. Okay, in textbook you can find like this or 3 in between. As I told you, all the position doesn't matter, but the terms should be same. So this is 3 or 4 marks question. It's a lengthy question. You can expect it for 3 or 4 marks. For midterm and final exam, you might get only 3 and 4 marks combination student. Did ma'am give pattern? Exam pattern?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No? Okay. Last
Sir,
year's exam
B
pattern.
section is here.
Okay, last year's MCQ they're given for 15 marks. Most probably 15 or 10 marks, 10 or 15. You can expect MCQ for 10 or 15. Then you'll have first main. All the mains will be standard 3, 3, and 4. 3 marks, 2 questions, and 1 4-marker question. So total 10 marks. Okay, if ma'am gives the pattern, let me know. Fine. So that's it, student. This first and second main is done. Third, fourth, fifth will finish it tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to teach you all cubes. The time 6:35. Okay, we'll do one construction question. Any doubt in this? When there are 3 values and you have to square it,
No, sir.
is it clear? Okay, now construction. Last question. Tanishka will explain. Open page 211. All of y'all. Exercise 18D. How many questions we have done? Construction. First 5, right?
So first 4, sir.
First 4. Okay, fifth one. First main, fifth one. No, first 5 is completed,
Fifth
Tanishka.
one, you gave it as homework, no, sir. And
I
you did
gave
it
it as
also.
one. Sixth question. Second main, we'll have 4.
Sir,
Third, 4, yes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Mariana said fourth, fifth main, fifth question. If you haven't understood, fifth and sixth the same. Okay. Now try the sixth one. Now all of you will try the sixth question.
sir, I got the pattern with me.
Okay, send it to me tomorrow. I mean, send it today. We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. AB is equals to AD 5 and BD is equals to 7 and BC is equals to DC is equals to 5.5. Look, I've told you all, I mentioned the word. When angle is not, is angle given here in this question? Is angle given? Okay, when angle is not given, what do you have to look out for? For which value, which topic? Diagonal. Remember, you should have one diagonal or one angle. Only then construction is possible. You either require angle or diagonal. So in this question, angle is not given, diagonal is given. Okay, AB is equals to AD is equals to 5. Do one thing, whenever you get such questions, split this. AB, right? AB is 5 and AD is 5. AB is 5. Here BC is 5.5 and even DC is 5.5 and DC is 5.5. Okay, your angle is not given, so you have to make use of diagonal. You can take any value. BD is greater. Which one shall we take? BC, this or this? Which one?
So BT, sure.
Okay, last time we took BD and we did right. We got something like this
So yes, sir.
for your project. Okay, this time we'll make use of AB. What is AB? How much is AB?
So 5 centimeters.
Okay, look here. First draw the rough diagram, students. AB is 5. After that, if AB is 5, then what are the other values given? It is a quadrilateral. So first draw a box like this. All of you will draw a box like this, student. Four-sided figure like this. A rough diagram. AD is given. After that, what is AD given here? What is the value of AD?
So 5 centimeters.
5. Okay, next, what is the value of BC? 5.5. What is the value of DC? What is DC?
So 5.5.
5.5. Okay, there is another value left. What is this?
So
B
it's
to
the
D. What is B
diagonal,
to D?
sir.
That's the diagonal. So for your project, I taught you using diagonal. Now I'll teach you like this. Join this diagonal. Start constructing. So take the values, first draw the rough figure, rough diagram. Only then you can draw the main diagram. AB is 5. All of you will draw your AB as 5. This question and the fifth one is the same. Okay, once you, after completing this, try the fifth one. Homework. Do it along with me, students. Draw AB 5. Done with AB 5. AB 5. All of you all. Okay, then first try to construct this part of triangle. What is required to construct this triangle, this part? AB is done, then what else? After AB, you can draw AD, right? How much is AD? How
So
much is
5
AD? 5.
centimeters.
All of you will take 5 centimeters cut AD. Then what is the other line? What's the other line?
7 centimeters, sir.
7 centimeters, correct. From B to D, take 7. So first try to construct this part of triangle, the bottom one, then you can construct the right side. This is also correct. I mean, this and even that, the one like how I taught you all for your project, where you take BD as base, even that is correct.
So done, sir.
Okay, take 5. What about others done?
Done, sir.
Yes.
This. Okay, 5, 7. Look, do it along with me, student. You'll definitely get construction for 8 marks. It's very easy to score 8 or 10 marks. Okay, next we have to construct this top one. What are the lengths required to construct the next triangle, the above
So
one?
5.5 and 7.
Yeah,
So
5.5 DC. So take 5.5 from D to C. Don't use your scale. Only for the base we make use of scale. For remaining construction, only compass. Take 5.5 in your compass, one arc like this. Next, what's the next arc? From which point? Which vertex? Next arc from which vertex?
So from D you cut 5.5
Yeah,
centimeters.
from B we cut 5.5 like this. So you get somewhat like this, like this. And construction, entire construction, I've created a separate folder. You can just go through the recordings if you have any doubts. That's it. Question is done. Tomorrow we'll solve few parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, left. So Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. Even this Sunday you'll have class. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So it's
So Friday, when will we have the class?
evening. Is it holiday? Friday?
It's a holiday, so.
Okay, Friday I'll take 2 hours of class. Sets will start sets on Friday.
Can you tell us the timing, sir?
I'll
So
tell
have
you.
to
I'll
go
tell
to
you.
church.
What time?
So morning, like till 3 maybe, sir. We are having feast, Mary's feast, sir.
So soon?
Sir,
Feast?
and evening also we
Yes, sir.
have to.
We are having the
Oh,
chariot, sir.
oh, that final day. Is it that
Sir.
final day?
Finally.
So soon it got over. Mary's feast. How many days was this?
It is 1 week, sir.
Sir,
Usually,
9 days that novena, 10th day is a feast.
The feast.
okay, so 9 days got over. Okay, Friday. If it's still three, then it's not possible, right? Only how many of you will go to church?
I go, sir. So I go to church.
Jolene, Lemula, Cherisha,
And
Mariana,
also goes, sir. Yes, sir.
Joanna, five. Who
So,
else?
so I'll not attend on
So
Friday if the classes at evening. So.
Okay, you can't attend. Then I have to split. I'll take two. Okay, except Adia. Who else? Tanishka, Adia, Tanishka, Mariam, and
So Triyashi Akansha. So.
Kansha.
DSC Akansha. Five students. Okay, five and six. Six students go to church, and five. Okay, for these five students, are these five students online? Adia,
So yes,
Akansha.
sir.
What about
Yes, sir.
Akansha?
I'm
I
online.
think the evening itself, sir, with the other batch.
Sir,
Evening.
I can join on Friday, so I don't have. Unless
I
we,
can
I
join.
don't know, sir. I have to tell on Friday only, sir.
Okay, anytime then. Tanishka, only Tanishka is left. Even Tanishka can attend evening.
So evening I'm not sure. So I need to ask my mom.
Okay, fine, Tanishka. You ask and let me know. Let me know tomorrow.
So yes. So.
Okay, fine. For
Then
others, till what time for these
afternoon you
students?
can keep, I guess.
No, you'll have to tell me the timings. Church timing. Is it the same for everyone or different?
I go to same church, sir. Mary's Basilica Church. Yes.
So till what time? Okay, you'll just let me know the timings tomorrow. Is it Friday tomorrow? Or tomorrow is Thursday. So you'll let me know the timings tomorrow. Okay, fine. Done with the construction. Done with this. All of you.
Sure.
Okay, I'll stop the